Hello.
Hey!
I'm Luke.
Let's make a YouTube video.
You are
Hey,
crazy.
can I make a YouTube video?
Gotta go like this. Hold it out. Hold it out. Point it at you and spin
Hello.
around. No, not it around. Spin. You spin around. Spin around.
I'll do it. I'm not going to.
Hold it still.
Okay. This is the nature center.
Wrong way.
Okay.
That's the right way.
Yeah.
Now this is how you do it, like this.
Hello. Give me.
Boom!
I think it's going back.
Wait.
You're recording it.
Okay, this place looks a lot more funky. Okay, this is part 2, I think. Sorry, I just accidentally blacked out. Whoa. Ugh. That's disgusting. See that? See that? Hey, what's this? What does this feel like? What does that look like?
Mountains are made.
That looks like mountains. That's mountains are made?
Yep.
Cool. One thing like that. Okay, so there's the fish. Hello, fishy. Hello. The fish. So much fish. Oh my gosh. Okay. This place looks awesome. Okay, coming.
Look, that's a crappie. That's a perch. Look right here in the corner.
What's it?
Gar.
What?
Right there.
What is that?
It's a gar. It's got teeth like an alligator.
Don't want to poke that. Don't want to touch. Oh, that's blood.
Yeah.
Okay, so where's my jacket? Oh, there it is. Okay. Look at all this fish. Hey, that's cute.
Deer.
Hello, deer. I will shoot you in the head someday.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, what's this? What's in here? Is this a fish? Just one fish? Just one fish and some rocks and some shells?
I don't know.
Is that it? Is that it?
I think so.
Seriously, that is boring.
They feed turtles. There's a turtle in there, like a big turtle.
like to make a bunch
Hmm.
This is a long-eared sunfish.
Wait, what? Long eared?
Shoot the alligator, the big one.
Coming. I saw this before. I saw this place before.
Wait, that's new. Oh, yeah, I see that.
Oh.
Ooh. Yeah, wait. Alligator! It's an alligator.
Man, that's huge.
So look at the top.
Look at that.
The poor turtles.
Feed that, I think.
They feed those?
Something like
How?
that.
Wait a minute. How would that alligator eat that? How would it do that? Because they have shells. They have shells. Those have shells, and those can't eat it because they'll break their teeth. This alligator's smart. Let's see. What is in here? Let's see. Oh, I see it. I see the snake. I see it. And that one's trying to find a way out. Oh my gosh, that is so leathery.
There's a
That's
deer skin.
leathery. This is Ash, and also this is Asher. This is the Haynes thing, sponsored by Asher and Uncle Jason. Haynes, Barnes or Haynes. I can't tell. So we're going to go back. Okay. It's snake skin, turtle skin, lizard skin, and frog. I meant snake bones, turtle bones, lizard bones, and frog bones. It's all weird. Everything is mostly weird here. Okay. I'm not ready yet. Ready for that? Okay, then let's look.
I'm gonna go down to the turtle. We can pick it up.
Wait, what? You can pick the turtle? I don't think you can do that.
Okay.
There's a rules thing on it. Like, please keep hands out of the box. Turtle tank.
Whoa! Look at this! Look at it. It's moving up.
What's that?
Look at the snake.
It's moving up. No,
Oh, you missed it. Oh, you missed it. You should see it. It's like... Oh, you already saw it. Yeah, there's that snake was right in the middle.
Okay.
Guys, this is like...
Hey, Papa, can you, like, turn it off?